In the world of technology, few names stand out as much as Bill Gates. Born in Seattle, Washington, in 1955, Bill was destined for greatness from an early age. His story is one of passion, vision, and an unwavering belief in the power of technology. Today, we'll take you through the incredible journey of how a curious young man went on to change the world. This is the story of Bill Gates and how he built a tech empire, faced incredible challenges, and ultimately shifted his focus to philanthropy. Buckle up and get ready to hear the story of one of the most influential people of our time. Part 1. Early life passions. Bill Gates was born into a family that encouraged intellectual curiosity. His father was a lawyer, and his mother was a teacher, so education was highly valued in the Gates household. From a young age, Bill was an inquisitive child, always eager to learn and discover new things. At the age of 13, Bill wrote his first computer program, a simple tic-tac-toe game, which ignited his passion for technology. His early interest in programming was not widely understood by his peers, but Bill didn't mind. He was more interested in computers than in making friends, and he spent hours coding and experimenting. By the time he was in high school, Bill had already built his first software program, catching the attention of local tech companies. However, Bill wasn't satisfied with just any software. He wanted to change the world with his skills. In 1973, Bill enrolled at Harvard University. But despite his success at the university, Bill knew that his true calling was not in a classroom, but in the world of technology. So, in 1975, at the age of 19, Bill made a life-changing decision to drop out of Harvard to pursue his passion for computers. Part 2. The birth of Microsoft. In 1975, Bill Gates teamed up with his childhood friend Paul Allen, and together, they founded Microsoft. The idea was simple: to create software that would run on personal computers. At the time, personal computers were still a novelty, but Bill and Paul saw their potential. Microsoft's first major break came when they developed MS-DOS, an operating system for IBM's new personal computers. Bill and Paul had no idea that their partnership with IBM would become the foundation of a tech empire. In just a few years, Microsoft went from a small startup to the leader in the software industry. But Microsoft's success wasn't immediate. It came after a lot of hard work, setbacks, and struggles. Bill's vision was clear. He believed that one day, every home would have a personal computer, and Microsoft would be the software running on them. 1000. In 1985, Microsoft launched Windows, a revolutionary operating system that would change the way people interacted with computers. Bill's vision was now becoming a reality. Windows was not just a product, but the beginning of a global tech revolution. Despite the growing competition, Microsoft's products continued to dominate the market, and Bill became one of the richest men in the world. But Bill wasn't just focused on making money. He wanted to make an impact. As Microsoft continued to grow, so did Bill's ambition. He had set his sights on creating a company that would change the world. Part 3. Overcoming challenges. The journey to success wasn't without its challenges. Microsoft faced fierce competition from companies like Apple, who had their own vision of personal computing. Bill Gates, however, was not one to back down. He faced these challenges head-on, with the belief that his vision was the right one. But the road to success wasn't always smooth. Microsoft had to navigate legal battles, particularly around issues of monopolistic practices. In the late 1990s, the U.S. government launched an antitrust lawsuit against Microsoft, accusing the company of unfair business practices. Despite the lawsuit and public scrutiny, Bill remained focused on his mission to provide powerful software to people all over the world. He was often criticized, but he believed that the impact of technology on society outweighed the criticisms. As the legal battles continued, Bill's determination never wavered, and Microsoft continued to grow. In the late 90s and early 2000s, Microsoft launched Office and Internet Explorer, both of which became industry standards. Bill was no longer just a software developer. He had become a global business leader and a pioneer in the tech world. Part 4. Shift to philanthropy. In the early 2000s, after decades of success, Bill Gates made a life-altering decision. He stepped down from the day-to-day operations at Microsoft to focus on something he felt was even more important: philanthropy. Bill, along with his wife Melinda, founded the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in 2000. The foundation's mission was simple: to improve global health, reduce poverty, and expand educational opportunities for all. Bill had always been passionate about giving back, and he believed that he could make a real difference in the world. His focus shifted from making money to improving lives, particularly in developing countries. The Gates Foundation has since worked to tackle some of the world's biggest problems, including malaria, polio, and HIV/AIDS. Through the foundation, Bill and Melinda have donated billions of dollars to various causes, improving the lives of millions. The work of the Gates Foundation is a testament to Bill's belief that everyone deserves the opportunity to live a healthy, productive life. Despite the immense success of Microsoft, Bill found even greater satisfaction in helping others. He has said that his biggest accomplishment is not the wealth he amassed, but the impact he has had on people's lives through his charitable work. Part 5. Lessons and advice. Looking back at his journey, Bill Gates has learned a few valuable lessons. First and foremost, he believes that failure is not the end, but an important step towards success. Bill faced countless setbacks and failures along the way, but he used them as learning experiences. He also learned the importance of persistence. No matter how many times he fell, he got back up and continued working towards his goals. Bill also stresses the importance of surrounding yourself with talented and passionate people. Microsoft's success have been possible without the amazing team that helped him along the way. Bill often says that the key to success is finding a problem that needs solving, and then dedicating yourself to solving it. He believes that technology can and should be used to address the world's biggest challenges. Bill's advice to the next generation of leaders is simple: don't be afraid to take risks, work hard, and always keep learning. He encourages young people to believe in their ideas and never give up, no matter how difficult the journey may seem. Bill Gates' journey from a young man with a passion for computers to the founder of Microsoft and a global philanthropist is nothing short of inspiring. His story is a reminder that with vision, hard work, and determination, anything is possible. If Bill can go from a dropout with an idea to one of the world's wealthiest and most influential individuals, then so can you. If you enjoyed learning about his journey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more stories of leadership, success, and innovation. And please share your thoughts in the comments. What part of Bill's story resonated most with you? Remember, the road to success may be challenging, but with the right mindset, you can overcome anything. Thank you for watching, and keep striving for greatness.